Where the hell are we?
I don't know where you are.
Well, today we are at 8,400 feet, Cascada Falls Trail.
You could have brought your bike to this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still uphill though.
Yeah, but then it's downhill on the way back.
It's true.
With
Just
all that wind. Oh,
yeah, just get out the way. Let's ask how long of a hike this is.
Oh, yeah,
How long of a hike this is to the falls?
About 6 miles.
Okay, yeah, that's not too
That's what I
bad.
figured.
Time-wise, I think it's taking us about 40 minutes,
Ah,
like round trip. So
yeah.
not too
I'm guessing the wind's pretty much the same all the way through.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Did you say it took them 40 minutes to walk 6 miles?
0.6.
0.6
Oh, 0.6.
round trip.
Yeah, all I heard was the 6. I was like, man, that is insane.
Trail runners. You know, they're on their cool down lap.
Yeah.
So this is the Cascada Falls Trail. Hey fam, welcome to my... No, I'm not gonna do that.
Now, man, you gotta go and like record that it's the Cascade Falls. We're at bust out from Cascada.
Cascada.
Yeah.
Oh
Man,
man,
I really
we
like
are
to wear
pretty
my
high up.
hat.
Yeah. I didn't bring my sunnies because it's not super bright today.
Yeah.
Woo!
My hat. Like, man, I wish I had. Ooh, we got an overlook.
Oh, that's pretty nice looking. Smile. All right.
Make sure you don't drop it.
And now I'm that guy.
Yeah.
You are now officially that guy.
All I know.
Wow, that is a view right there, man.
That was good.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. It's amazing.
I think I have to try using a little less of that soap because
It's
I got a good squeeze in there. And then it was like, just get off my dishes.
Yeah. That Castile soap is no joke.
This is a sweet looking trail. You know, I'm glad I talked you guys into this.
Yeah, Clayton, this is why you should listen to your book.
No.
Say no.
No.
Very useful.
I'm my own man.
You know, when Lance sees this video of us hiking, he's gonna be like, look at these guys, man. Didn't even bring sticks or water or anything.
This doesn't bring shit.
That's true. But he does.
Less than a mile. If you need water for that, there's something else.
Yeah, you're probably right.
I mean, I did bring my water. But
Got hit.
There you go. Someone's
it's
smart.
very dry air.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's-
Oh man, this is awesome. Hey, is this the one? Yeah, we're at the falls. That's it, man. That's
Yeah, trail done. Let's turn around.
trail done.
Hands up, it's gonna drop.
Thanks for coming out to the adventure with me. Now get lost off-road.